Guys, this is Jeremy with Momentum Trading. Got my blog at jeremykroyd.co. That's JEREMYKRUID.co. Today I'm doing a little video on trading software, the trading software that I use. I get a lot of questions about what good software is to use and how to paper trade. So this will work out well because you can do both. This is TDAmeritrade's Thinkorswim software. Works pretty good, has more tools than you're ever going to need, and it's free software as long as you have an account with Ameritrade. A little Twitter notification there. And up here, first thing you're going to want to do is go to charts. Click on charts and it'll open up to a blank screen the first time. All you have to do is go here and select your stock that you want. Let's see, which one do I want to do? So we'll go with Microsoft. And it does bring up a list once you start typing things in. There we go. Now we got Microsoft stock. Lots of interesting and great tools in here. So you can go in, you can make drawings. Price line. You click there. Come on. There we go. And set it in your spot. Click again. You can just keep doing that over and over and set your price levels. Another one of my favorite tools is trend lines right here. Go ahead and take any spot you want. Start at the bottom. Run it across right there and you've got your trend line. So right there it looks like Microsoft's going to be pretty good to come into pretty soon. And I tend to trade options. Come over here, trade MSFT. Click on Microsoft. Once it opens up, you've got all your options chains available right here. I usually go out about a month, at least 30 days. Generally, not always, but that's kind of the general rule. Go ahead and select buy the call. You got calls over here, puts over here, bid price, ask price, last price, change. Same thing over here. And now I don't want to buy 10 right away, so I'll just buy 5. Right there, single option, naked call, buy 5 of the Microsoft to the 26. There we go. Okay, expires on 26 April 19, so about a month from now. Strike is a 117. Bid price down here. Usually you can get it for whatever's at the bottom. If you want to set a bid lower on a limit strike, go ahead. That works as well. You can limit, market, stop limit, blah blah blah. All those. Time enforced, day or good till canceled. I always use day, and you can always go with the best exchange just for simplicity's sake. Confirm and send tells you your order description. Your break-even stock price on this would be $120.70, which is a little better than $3.20 higher than it is right now. Definitely think Microsoft can get there in a month. Max loss will be the $3,700 that I'm paying. Cost of trade including commissions, the $3,700 plus the $10 in commissions. I want to say it's $6.95 plus 75 cents a option share or something like that. I don't remember offhand. I just look at it in here when I'm going. How much effect it has on your buying power, what your buying power is left for stock, and what your buying power is left for options. Difference would be this is simulated as a margin account. So go ahead and click send. Got a little notification. It actually went through right away. So I own Microsoft options. Another good thing in here, Trader TV. TD Ameritrade Network, CNBC, CNBC Europe, Asia, Futures Now. I like CNBC, so we'll go ahead and click that on and see what happens. Usually opens fairly quickly. But yeah, that's the general setup, kind of the basics that you need to trade on Thinkorswim. Hope you had a good time, and come check out my blog. It's at jeremykroyd.co. That's JEREMYKRUID.co. Until next time.